Hey, this is JD and FIA. We're going to take that 1625 and we're going to build on it and turn it into these chords here, serving the same purpose. Now, these chords, songs that you can use these chords on, so like the Do in the Morning, like the Do in the Morning. All right, or Trouble Don't Last Always. Trouble don't last. Or Kirk Franklin's Melodies from Heaven. Rain down on me. All right. So those chords, very simple. All right, so we're gonna start off. We're in the key of G flat. Our scale: G flats are 1, A flats are 2, B flats are 3. B is gonna be our 4 instead of C flat there. D flats are 5. E flats are 6. F is our 7. Back to G flat, our 1. All right, so our progression, the premise of it is 1 6 2 5. So we have G flat major is our 1. Our 6 is going to be E flat major, or E flat minor, sorry. All right, our 2 is going to be A flat minor, and our 5 is going to be D flat major. All right, so those chords, but I'm gonna give you the fatten up version. All right, so right into it. First, we're playing a G flat major chord, left hand, G flat, D flat, G flat, right hand, B flat, D flat, G flat. Hit that one time. Then you're gonna take that to your 3 chord. You're gonna hit the 3, left hand, B flat, right hand, D flat, D, G flat, B flat. It's a bit of a, get that distance right there. All right, and then you're gonna take that down to an E flat minor chord. All right, easy way to look at it. Left hand I'm playing E flat, B flat, and E flat. Right hand I'm playing a D flat major chord with the A flat in front, second inversion. All right, so I got A flat, D flat, F, A flat. So this is our 6. So 1 to the 6. All right. Then we're gonna add this little move here. All right, this is gonna let us pass to the 4. So what I'm doing, I'm coming D, E flat, and E. And when I hit the E, I'm gonna play B flat, E flat, and A flat on my right hand. All right, more like that. All right, that's gonna set me up to go to my 4. All right, B major 7 chord, left hand, playing B, G flat. All right, you can add the B here if you want. Right hand, I'm playing B flat, D flat, E flat, G flat. All right, B major 7 chord. So major 7 right there to B flat. All right, then I'm gonna go back to that 6 chord. So that's my 1, 3, 6, pass to the 4, all right? Go back to that 6, all right? The E flat in the left hand, E flat, B flat, E flat, with the D flat major in the right hand. A flat, D flat, F, A flat. All right? From here, we're gonna go to our 2. A flat minor 7 chord. Left hand, A flat, E flat, right hand, G flat, B, G flat. And you can come off the B flat to get there. All right, at that E flat in the chord. So I got G flat, B, E flat, G flat. All right, and then you're gonna play your 5, D flat 13. Left hand, D flat, A flat, D flat. Right hand, B, E flat, G flat, B flat. So it's just a B major 7 chord with D flat in the bass. So alright. You can also walk it down. 4, same 4 chord, in the B major. Take it down to the 3. Alright, back like that. Alright, so that walk down, 4, B major, a 3 chord, B flat and F on my left hand. Right hand I'm playing the 7, so A flat, minor 3rd, D flat, and G flat. Alright, 2, same 2 chord. Alright, and instead of going to our 5, you can go to your 5 if you want to. You just simply go to D flat right there with the same chord in your right hand. So I got D flat in the right hand, that G flat, B, E flat, G flat. But instead of going to the 5, you can just go to the G here. So this sound like this. So I'm playing G and D in my left hand, right hand F, B, and G flat. So it sound like this. So I just ended on a major 7 chord there. All right, G flat, D flat, right hand F, A flat, B flat, D flat. So rock that, get that in your hands. And when you play these songs, like to do in the morning, Trouble Don't Last Always, Melodies from Heaven, you'll be able to turn this simple progression into something a little bit more enjoyable, more fun to play. Soften up, however you want to. All right, so I hope that helped. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks.